Welcome to Queenside Academy, where young minds flourish and chess champions are born. At Queenside Academy, we offer a dynamic learning environment for children aged 5 to 15.
Chess teaches us to anticipate, strategize, and adapt. It's not just about making moves, it's about making the right one.
Our team of international FIDE-rated coaches brings unparalleled expertise and passion to every class.
Here at Queenside Academy, we are trying to cultivating love and empower young minds to become chess masters, all through our online platform.
With years of experience, our coaches not only teach chess but also instill valuable life skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, and strategic planning. We believe in nurturing the potential of each child, fostering an environment where they feel empowered to explore, learn, and grow. Our curriculum is designed to cater to all skill levels, from beginners to advanced players, ensuring that every student receives personalized attention and support. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from the parents themselves about the positive impact Queenside Academy has had on their children's development.
Hi, I'm Sneha and my child Ishan has been attending Queenside Academy for the past 6 months. And we first discovered Queenside Academy through their pre-trial class, and that was an incredible experience. And the coach Sachin was incredibly interactive and made the session fun and engaging.
At Queenside Academy, it's not just about mastering the game of chess. It's about building confidence, fostering friendships, and unlocking the full potential of every student. Join us on this exciting journey and watch your child's abilities soar to new heights. Queenside Academy, where every move counts.